Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. You guys know I get really excited when my Boxycharm comes in. I literally, the day I get it, I have to film because I can't wait to see what's in it. So I normally get the base box, which is $25 a month, no add-ons, nothing like that. So as soon as you open it, let me just kind of, things are just moving and yeah, hold on, there you go. So as soon as you open it, you get the little pamphlet that gives you the theme as well as the products. And on the pamphlet, it always tells you the products that you're getting as well as how much they cost. So the first product that we see here is this right here. Packaging is really nice. The box is just really nice. I love this lavender color. Okay, anyways, moving on to the actual product. So this is Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. So it's a toner in a sense, and it's supposed to be a 5-in-1 moisturizer, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. And there's a lot of good stuff in here. So let's see. I'm just kind of gently, well, not gently, I'm quickly just kind of reading through. So this is developed by the inventors of K Beauty's first BB cream. It's a hydrating essence that helps you achieve glass skin. I like that. Okay, so, and this is supposed to help restore your natural skin glow, and it's supposed to be a non-sticky formula. So this is the box. This is the box. This is the bottle right here, and this is a really big bottle, a very, very good size. So you're getting 10.14 fluid ounces, and this retails you for $46. So let's see what this smells like. Just take this little thing off. Okay. I can't smell anything, so let's just do a little drop. There's no scent, right? I'm trying to smell my hands and see if there's a difference. Yeah, there's not really a scent, and it's not feeling sticky. So I love that there's no sticky feeling. I love that there's no fragrance. I'm very picky when it comes to skincare products that have a very strong fragrance because my skin is very acne prone and very sensitive. So I can really appreciate that there's no scent with this. So moving on to the next product, this is what it looks like, and this is the Labido, I'm probably saying that wrong, Age Away Hydrating Cream. So this retails you for $55, and it's supposed to it's clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and improve skin texture. Yes, I am all for improving skin texture. We are trying to age very gracefully. So this is what it looks like. It's 1.69 fluid ounces, and it has evening primrose seed, sea buckhorn. I can't read today, so it has evening primrose seed, sea buckthorn, and pumpkin seed. So let's see what this. Okay, so it looks yellow. I'm going to squeeze a very small amount. I don't like wasting skincare product. So it's a yellow tint. I'm really bad at describing scents, like really, really bad at describing scents, but it smells, what was that? It smells fresh and clean, but in a very in a skincare way. That doesn't even make any sense, but it feels really good on the skin. And let me actually see if okay, so you can use this every day, and it doesn't say if you can only use it during the daytime or the nighttime, so I'm assuming you can use it for both. So moving on. So I'm excited about both skincare products because both of them are saying things that I'm liking. The next product right here is from Wander Beauty. It's this double date lip and cheek product. So it's supposed to be a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. And it's supposed to be shimmer-free balm for hydration and glow. And this retails you for $22. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks double stacked. Wait. Oh, okay, so it's double stacked, but you can't separate it. So it comes just, wait. So it comes like this. And then you have a nice little mirror on the bottom part. So, oh, okay. So let's do some swatches. Oh, that's very pigmented. Okay. So you get, these are what they look like. Let me just put them on my hand so I can show you. So this is the clear. It looks really nice actually. And then this is that pink. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. It doesn't have a scent, so I do really like that. I do want to try this clear one on my lips because the clear one I would absolutely, I mean, I would use both for my lips, but I want to see the formula and I feel like the clear would be the best. Or that feels really good actually. Okay, I'm actually really excited about this. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm not gonna do the pink one right now, but I'll test it out and I'm hoping the color looks really nice, but I'm very excited about that. So the next product that I see here, wait, did I say how much that was? That was $22 in case I forgot. So this right here is the St. Lux Beauty Lip Liner Duo. And this retails you for $40. So I always feel like every time I get lip liners, I like them and then I never really wear them. So I'm hoping that these are going to be nice. The packaging is very nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So let's see here. Let's do a love letter. So we're gonna swatch both. Just make sure there's nothing on my hands. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. So this is Love Letter and this is beautiful. This is really nice. Okay, I don't want to jinx the other one, but this reminds me of Whirl and Spice lip liner from MAC had a baby and made a lip liner. That's what this reminds me of. It's beautiful. Like no weird scent. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so Secret Admirer is the next one. And this looks, okay, let me swatch it before I want to jinx myself. Oh. So this is Secret Admirer and look how beautiful that is. This looks like a beautiful cool tone milk chocolate brown. I'm not usually someone that gravitates towards cool tone products, but this I would definitely wear. This is really nice. I think I just broke the streak of me just pushing aside the lip liners that I get from my Boxycharm boxes because I think out of all the lip liners that I've ever received while being subscribed to them, these we're using. I'm actually really excited about this. I love lip liners. Lip liners are just one of those things that it's necessary for me. It is absolutely necessary for me. Okay, let me clean my hands really quick so I can show you the last and final product. So this is what I picked. This was my Boxycharm choice. And it was between this and it was an Ace Beauty palette, and I have Ace Beauty palettes and I love them. I love the formulas, I love the quality, but I wanted to try something new. And because I saw what this looked like on the inside, it just looks so perfect for an everyday go-to look, and I felt like it was gonna look really nice on so many people. So the packaging, really, really nice, a very nice mauve color. Oh yeah. And this looks exactly the way it did in pictures, so I'm not disappointed at all. So this is what the inside looks like. You get a blush, you get a highlighter, and then you get 6 eyeshadows. Two of them are matte, and then the rest are shimmer. And it's so pretty. So I'm really actually hoping that this blush shows up on me. I think that's the only one I'm kind of just really curious about. Let's do this highlighter. Okay, so let's see. This is the blush. The blush is kind of going on a little chalky. It's not going on the nicest, but we'll see what it looks like on the face. I don't judge it based off the swatch, but that highlighter right there is beautiful. That's really nice. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. So I'm hoping that the blush is gonna work out really well for me. But the color, yeah, I like the color. I'm hoping it shows up. I'm hoping it doesn't go on patchy. I'm just hoping that everything looks well, but looks good. But actually overall, as far as rating this box, so I think I'm gonna start rating my Boxycharm unboxes. I'm gonna have to say I'm gonna give this a 4 out of a 5. Should we rate boxes? I don't know. You know what, I take that back. I just like everything in here. I'm very excited about everything. So I take that back. No 4 out of 5. I just really like this box. So we're gonna keep it as this was a good box or this was a bad box, and this was definitely a good box. I'm very, very excited. And did I tell you how much the palette was? That one is $36. So that is it for this little unboxing. I will do a video just testing out a bunch of the products, and you guys know I will be testing out the skincare products and letting you guys know what I think about it and if it's worth testing out. So I'm going to end this video here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps me out so much, and I will see you in my next video.